How to transfer photos from mobile to laptop, iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from mobile to laptop, iPhone. First, use your original USB cable to connect your iPhone to your laptop. Now, on your iPhone, tap Trust when prompted and enter your passcode if required. Then, on your laptop, open Photos from the Start menu. Now, click the import icon at the top right, then select from a USB device. It will scan your iPhone for all available photos and videos. Once it finishes scanning, you can choose specific photos or click Select All. Next, click Change Destination if you want to choose where to save the files. Then hit Import, and your selected photos will begin transferring to your PC. That's it. Your iPhone photos are now saved on your laptop quickly and securely. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.